Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and in this video we're going to be going over loading a config in Slic3r. That's what I'm going to be calling it. So we go to File, Load Config, and then you're going to load your config file. So one of the ones that we use in our in-person classes a lot is delta. You're going to load the highest number of whatever delta is. In this case it's delta 1. You can see that it changed the size of the bed. It changed these print settings over here. What the config does is it tells Slic3r things about your printer, whether it's a square bed, a round bed, what the bed size is, what your filament diameter is. This isn't what you're going to be doing, but I'll just show you. So there's there's many printer settings like so Z offset, filament settings, 1.75 millimeter diameter is what we tend to use, print temperatures. So there's just a lot of different stuff that this needs to know in order to print properly. And so it's very important before you do any printing that you load the correct config. So another one that we use a lot in class is the i3. And so if I load i3, you'll see that it changed the size and shape of the bed. It changed all this over here. It's very important to always load the correct config. So we went over how to load the config, File, Load Config, find the correct config file. That's going to depend on who you are, where you're at. In our classes in person, it's often either delta, the highest number of delta, or i3. And you just make sure to load it in and see that things changed. And now you're ready to go on to the next steps. So this is Keith from Kinvert. We went over how to load the config. Hope this was helpful. It's part of our online class on CAD and 3D printing. We will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.